Hello everyone, welcome to Steno Aspirants. I am Akshay and I am going to dictate you Rajasthan High Court judgments containing 720 words at the speed of 90 words per minute. The dictation will fluctuate between the speed of 85 and 95 words per minute. So get ready. 3 seconds. Start. Writ petitioner's property under the SARFAESI Act on 31 2018, which was however abandoned, and thereafter a fresh notice was issued for holding auction on 28 to 2018, which was brought to its logical conclusion. Stop. It was also pleaded that order of the court passed on 25/1/2018 protected the writ petitioners till hearing of the stay application. Stop. The case was taken up by the DRT on subsequent dates of hearing, but no interim order was passed in favor of the writ petitioners. Stop. Therefore, the officials proceeded with the auction, which was scheduled on 28/12/2018, which eventually led to confirmation of auction sale on 26/4/2018. Stop. However, learned single judge, while hearing contempt petition, was not satisfied with the explanation offered by the contemners, and it was held that order dated 25/1/2018 was willfully disobeyed, and the contemners, fully aware of the nature and scope of order dated 25/1/2018, flouted the same. Stop. Learned single judge accordingly held the contemners guilty of contempt of the court. Stop. Learned single judge also held that as per the confirmation of sale on 26/4/2018 and issuance of sale certificate were in violation of order dated 25/1/2018. Therefore, all such acts and proceedings were void. Stop. Direction was also issued to take back possession of the property of the writ petitioners by resort to all legal processes as may be available. Stop. On the aspect of punishment, learned single judge observed that that issue can be adjudged subsequently, taking into consideration the submissions of counsel for the parties that the dispute between the writ petitioners and Bank of Maharashtra is capable of being amicably resolved, and an attempt to do so is underway. Stop. Against that order passed by the learned single judge in contempt proceedings, DB Civil Special Appeal (writ) number 22 of 2018 has been preferred by the contemners / officials of the Bank of Maharashtra. Stop. Later on, the auction purchaser Rameshwar Prasad Sharma has also filed an appeal, being DB Civil Special Appeal (civil) number 13 of 2019, as apart from declaration of contempt of court order against the bank officials. Learned single judge also directed taking back possession of the immovable property of the writ petitioners, which was put to auction and in respect of which sale was confirmed and sale certificate issued in favor of the auction purchaser Rameshwar Prasad Sharma, holding that such proceedings, being in the teeth of order dated 25/1/2018, were void ab initio. Stop. Assailing the legality and validity of the order passed by the learned single judge holding the appellants in DB Civil Special Appeal Civil number 22 oblique 2018 guilty of contempt of the court. Learned counsel for the appellants bank officials argued that firstly there was no disobedience of the order passed by the court. Stop. In the alternative, it has also been contended that even if it is held that action of confirmation of sale and issuance of sale certificate in favor of the auction purchaser violated order dated 25/1/2018. In any case, there is no material pleading or evidence to prove that it was a case of willful disobedience by the appellants. Contemners. Stop. On behalf of appellant Arinendu Sekhar, it has been submitted that he was not impleaded as a party in the contempt petition, nor any notice of contempt was issued to him. Stop. There is no allegation whatsoever made against him in the contempt petition that he committed willful disobedience of the order of the court. Stop. An affidavit was filed by him in the contempt petition only to state that proceedings were drawn bona fide. Stop. He joined the other contemners as appellant in appeal number 22/2018 because the order contemners as appellant in appeal number 22 of 2018 because the order passed by the learned single judge is of wide sweep. Stop. It is the contention of learned counsel for the appellants bank officials that the order passed by the court on 25/1/2018 was in relation to a notice of auction which was scheduled to be held on 30/1/2018 but that was abandoned. Stop. Later on, fresh auction proceedings were initiated under subsequent notice of sale dated 8/2/2018 and in those proceedings sale was confirmed on 26/4/2018. Therefore, the order of the court cannot be said to be flouted as the order was in relation to the first auction proceedings and not the second one. Stop. Over.